Well, look at that. What a smooth, clean looking chart. This is a TNT chart. Trend, negate, and trade. Superb. Good morning. My name's Paul. Today is the 10th, Friday the 10th of January 2020. And you catch me as I'm just in the middle of looking through our TNT trades, looking at putting something on. Okay, first of all, I should go back because we're here to look at the last 24 hours and trading on our signals and the results. So let's get started, shall we? And again, the results page will take a little while to load up due to the amount of information that we have collated on there. Okay. And again, it's first thing in the morning here. I'm in GMT time, so it's 06:32, and I'm having my cup of coffee. Okay. It says about 5 seconds, but I take it there's a lot more information on there. Okay, let's start for the last hour. Well, so far, for today, for example, is all 100%, which it would be. For the week, the AUD/JPY has done 100%, and then again, so has the AUD/USD. And in fact, scrolling down, they have all done 100% for our statistics for the week. For the month, let's have a look. Well, that's not bad. The USD/CHF has pulled back. It was a fair bit lower, if I remember, yesterday, and it's coming back. So that is great news. Great news. Okay, we'll pop on to the 1 hour. And today for the 1 hour, let's have a look. I must check the news on there and see. They don't seem to have done too well for the day. Okay, moving on to the week. Yep, pretty standard. And again, the one I was more interested in was the USD/CHF, because that seemed to be fighting a losing battle over the past month. And it seems to be pulling back nicely. And again, looking at the month, not too shabby at all. And again, I'll remind people, and certainly people that haven't been here before, that the month is going back 30 days. It's not going from, say, January, February, March, obviously because different amount of days in each month. We go back 30 days and call the 30-day block a month. 2 hour TNT, that's a 2 hour trend, negate, and trade. Okay, again, nothing's fired up yet for today, for the 2 hour. Okay, the week, for those that have actually done well. Looking here. AUD/JPY 100%, 100%. Right, it's all looking good. It's all looking good. And again, the USD/CHF, which didn't do too badly anyway on the 2 hour TNT. So that was holding its own again, and it's actually come up rather well. And that's for the week on the 2 hours. And then the 5 minute results. Let's have a look. Euro USD 100%, JPY at 90.8 for the week, and the Great British Pound JPY 97 point nothing for the month. Okay, I must admit I'm quite impressed with these figures here, as I always am. Okay, we'll just see what signals are fired off again for the day so far. And again, bearing in mind it is this is at 0636 GMT. So there's not a lot of trade will be happening at the moment around the world. Okay, we've got 3 fired off for the 1 hour. So far, bearing in mind that each of these, you see the greens are wins, the blues are losses, and not by very much, but taking notice of these, that these signals are a tool, part of a tool. They're not to be taken at 100%. These are part of the 5 strategy that we have, 5-part strategy for getting as near to 100% as possible. Okay, moving on. Let's have a look at the 2-hour signals. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 are fired off. I mean, that's looking pretty good. It's looking at yesterday. We only had 1, 2, 3, 4 fire off yesterday, which isn't too shabby. And bearing in mind that, unlike any other company, we won't fire off just any old signal to get you on board. Our signals have to be as near to perfection as we can possibly get them, and some might need a little tweaking, but in the meantime, you can't knock the, I certainly can't knock what we have happening at the moment. Okay, did I check the dailies? I was a bit early here, and I'm pretty sure I didn't. Daily signals. Here we go for the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Daily signals are our grandfather signals, if you like. That was what we really started out with first of all. And even though these are a tool that we like to use, as you can see, these have a very, very high success rate. Indeed. That was all from the 8th. And quite a few from the 9th. We have quite a few of our members actually use and just purely rely on the daily signals, which is quite understandable when you see that. But again, it is only a tool. You can't. To be a successful trader, you can't just rely on someone sending you signals. There's a little bit of other bits and bobs that you need to do, and because of that, it's coming out of X. It's all looking rather good. We have a free members portal here for those of you that want to try us out for 30 days. In those 30 days, we will give you the training and charts. You can utilize the 3 of the charts we have, which is a 5-minute chart and a 1-hour chart and a 2-hour chart for the Euro USD. You see, if you can't read these charts, I mean, I was saying before how smooth and easy they are to read and follow. I mean, they are just so simplicity in itself. And of course, we give you the news from our friends at investing.com to help you make a decision. Those are just parts of what you need to become a successful trader. Coming back home, so I'm going off on a tangent a bit here. The 3 dots, if you click on the 3 dots down here, that's on every page. We have the 3 wise men, as I like to call them. Type anything in here and they'll get straight back to you. It's pretty much live. And there goes my other alarm. If not, send them an email, write them something, and they will get back to you ASAP. Ask them any question you want, reference Dex Fx Markets and Trading, and you should get their answer. And remember, there is no such thing as a stupid question. Any question you think you don't want to ask them because it might seem a little silly or whatever, that's generally the question that's going to let you down if you don't ask it. And remember, if you've thought it, so will many other people. So go ahead, hit on the 3 dots and have a chat with some people. Right, on that, I really must go. Have a pleasant Friday. Have a great weekend, people, and we shall see you all on Monday.